Ayan, mega loud shout
Really
out
like a lot of
everyone.
slope.
I'm with my colleagues
First time
on GVR Marina
not slowly while walking on the
last
GBR
day with my old colleagues. But this video, I did not know that my colleagues Angela, actually she have also a
Marami
YouTube
ganda naman
channel, but
dyan.
she was looking for her
GBR
monetization.
Marina.
But I really don't know that she making a video with me, and
Walking,
this
walking
video
to
it's like
Maria.
this, it's slow mo. That's why while I'm
While
vlogging
I'm
also,
shouting out
she
to
was
all my Legion
getting a
friends
video
and
with me, so
supporters.
I'm so happy with
Sis
her,
Vilma
and I'm so much
Landicho,
lucky
Sis
with her
Yana
because
Tube,
she was always
ayan,
helping on my
Sis
vlogs.
Travels,
Every time I
Sis
was with
Creepy Night
her,
Journey,
she was always making a
Ate
vlog with me.
Roxy,
So
Sis
that's why
Mitz
this one I'm
TV,
happy to make
Sis
upload this one.
Raisa,
She's the
Sis
one to get me
Vera.
a video for this
Thank you so much,
place.
everyone.
This is
Idol,
Marina GBR
OFW Mix Vlog,
here in
mega loud shout
Dubai.
out sa'yo.
Ayan, nagagala si
Yeah,
Maria Variety
I was
Vlog taking
tigaan.
also a content there, and
Nag-try ako
then
nitong
I
slow mo
was
walking.
knowing, but then she said with me, Angela, she said with me,
Mami Ams
"Oh,
TV,
Ate
mega loud
Mai,
shout
I get a
out.
video with you, so make upload." Really, I said, really.
To all
It's a
my
slow
friends
mo
and
video.
supporters, thank you so much,
Oh my
everyone.
God. She was so much helpful, and
See you on my LS
supportive today after my
Thank you so much, Angela.
long
Angel
time
TV
weekend
Vlogs, my
and
sister. 3 days holiday here in Dubai. Yes.
walking
Ayan,
again si
walking na
Maria.
naman si Maria.
Yeah, this video is all walking, walking.
Ayan, yung iba kong colleagues.
That is why one
Si,
of my
ano yan, si
colleagues,
Single
most
Mom
of my
AG
colleagues,
Vlogs and si Sarah
Sarah and
Propaganda
Single Mom AG Vlogs also.
is with me.
So yeah, it's a nice day with me and to all my colleagues. Shout out to all my teams, White Touch team. Thank you so much for your for support and love to Maria Variety Vlogs. And to all my supporters and legit friends, mega mega loud shout out to all. Sis Vilma Ladicho, Sis Ami Was, Sis Rinalyn Bilog, Sis Nits TV, Ate Roxy, Sis Brit Pinay, Sis Annalyn TL, Mami Arms, Idol OFW Mix Vlog, Sis Raisa, Sis
To
Vera.
be honest, I'm so much thankful to
To
my
all
one of
Team
my colleagues,
Europa and to Team Survivor, and to
Angela.
all Team Yemon
Actually,
Live
she have
TV
already
Official,
also a YouTube
and to
channel,
all
but
my team, thank you
you
so much
know,
for the
she was
love and
looking
support.
for her monetization. I'm so much thankful
Yan,
with her
walking again si
because
Maria there, over
she's the
there.
one who was always trying
Yeah,
to
this is
make me
why
video
Marina
every time when I
GBR.
was with you. She was so much helpful.
Kimbot-kimbot si Maria dyan while walking. But,
Yan. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it.
ayan, thank you for
God bless everyone.
watching.
This
I
is
hope
your
you
host,
like
Maria
it.
Variety Vlogs.
God bless everyone.